watching this video, there is a really good chance that you are feeling completely lost in your accounting class. Maybe the professor is moving too fast, or the textbook looks like it's written in alien hieroglyphics, and you're worried about your grade. Well, I want you to take a deep breath. It's not that you're bad at math or that you're stupid, and you're not going to end up living in a van down by the river. You just missed the foundation. I'm Carolyn Grimm, and I've been teaching accounting since, yes, the 1900s. My Accounting How-To channel is all about taking you from lost to found. Foundations, that is. So consider this video and this entire playlist as your reset button. We're going to wipe the slate clean. We're going to ignore the complex jargon, all that blah, blah, blah in your textbook for just a minute. And we're going to rebuild your accounting knowledge from the ground up. So this is where we're going. I call this the accounting roadmap. Now, if you look at your syllabus, this covers the big rocks of the first 4 chapters, the foundation of everything we do in accounting. This is the stuff that usually trips people up. If you miss this, you miss all of it. So we're going to master the accounting equation. We'll demystify debits and credits. We're going to tackle adjusting entries. Now, I know that your textbook is like 800 pages long. So what I've done is I've distilled these videos down to only the must-know concepts. I've stripped out all the blah, 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 so we can focus on the logic that makes everything else click. However, even with all the blah, blah, blah removed, accounting can still be kind of scary. And that's why I brought backup. This is Terrance. Terrance is our official emotional support dinosaur. Yeah, it's a thing. I made it up. When we get to a scary topic like depreciation or accruals, Terrance is going to be there to remind you that it's going to be okay. I mean, if he can survive a giant asteroid, you can get through financial accounting. Now, I have one rule for this boot camp, and it's the most important one. You cannot passive watch these videos. Accounting is a contact sport. You can't learn it just by watching me do it any more than you can learn to play the piano just by watching YouTube, right? You have to roll up your sleeves and get your hands dirty. So grab a notebook, grab a calculator, grab an emotional support dinosaur or teddy bear, whatever you need, and work through the examples with me. If you just watch, you'll recognize the concepts, but if you do the work, you'll actually be able to pass the exam and do well in the class. You've hit the reset button. Now let's get to work. Click this video right here to start lesson 1, and let's conquer the rules that accountants have to follow. We call that GAP. It's the beginning of your accounting foundation. And Terrance and I are here if you need us. Oh, and hey, subscribe to the channel. We've got videos for every phase of your accounting class. And I'll see you in the next video.